guys, welcome back to the Fadhili Family YouTube channel. On today's video we have something very exciting for us. As you can see here on our platter or on our tray, we have goat stripes, or locally known as goat matumbo. So from what I can see, we have the large and the small intestines all laid out here. We have the hearts of the goats, we have the lungs, and we have the spleen here. So we are going to be making something very sumptuous for us. You do not want to miss out. Please wait until the end of the video to see what we shall be putting together from these stripes. Be sure guys to subscribe to our YouTube channel. If this is the first time you're coming across this YouTube channel, be sure to like this video and share, and leave us a comment on the comment section. We love hearing from you and interacting with you. So stay tuned and see you in the next process. So we are starting the process of making the mutura, the African sausage. And as you can see, we are chopping our meats into small cubes, very tiny pieces, so that we can stuff them into the mutura. So we have some fats, we have the lungs, we have the pancreas, the heart. That is how the African sausage is made. So watch along and enjoy the process. You can also let us know on the comment section how you make your African sausage if you're from Africa, or even in the English world, you may let us know how you make your sausages. So we are transferring the first batch of meat that we have cut. So that's the first portion of meat that we have cut. And on to the next. And guys, we had also cut out some liver. This also came with the stripes, so let me also add this into the tray with the already pre-cut pieces of meat.
Or maybe I'm good at pretending that I moved on.
Guys, this is the large intestine. This one, I hope you can see. This is where we'll be stuffing our small meat cuts from the stripes, that one. And it leads, it goes all the way, very big. This one, and it joins to the small intestines. We are on to the next step. So we are going to be marinating our stuffings. So we are starting with salt, that is table salt. So put enough to your liking. So be sure to put enough to taste. Then after table salt, you can put any spices of your choice. So we have the wet and dry fry spice. So again, put enough to taste. So normally our brand of choice is Tropical Heat. It's not a sponsored cooking recipe, but we wouldn't mind a sponsorship from the Tropical Heat, since we are a big fan of the Tropical Heat brand. Then on to the next spice, we're going to be using paprika. Paprika, again, put enough to taste. And then lastly, we are going to be putting in turmeric. So as you can see, we are spoiled for choice by the Tropical Heat brand. Then we are going to be adding in some black pepper, just enough to give it that dash. So mix all the spices together so that every piece of meat has a taste of the marinades. And of course, this will also add to the juiciness of the African Mutura once it's ready. So mix. And then lastly, we are going to add our spring onion, which we have diced into small pieces. So also sprinkle that into your meat. You can put as much onion as you so please. Again, this goes into adding into the flavor of your African sausage. So once you've put enough, mix the onions. Mix. So the next step we are going to be doing right now is to stuff our large intestines with the pieces of meat that we have been marinating. So do this very keenly and carefully so that you don't rip open the intestines.
I'm a la 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 loner, la 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 loner. Every time I try to fit in, it ends up in misery, yeah. Socializing doesn't fit me, but I can get away so easy. I was born a misfit, don't go with the cool kids. It's all overrated, no I never missed it. I was born a misfit, don't go with the cool kids. It's all overrated, I just didn't read it.
Guys, see how long our African sausage is. Oh my goodness. From all the stuffings we have made, this is how humongous it looks. So we will put a knot at the very end.
I'm solo dancing on your body, crazy on my own but all in. I can feel the eyes all staring, but I don't care about them saying I was born a misfit, don't go with the cool kids. It's all overrated, no I never missed it. I was born a misfit, don't go with the cool kids. It's all overrated, I just didn't read it. I'm a la 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 loner, la 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 loner, la 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 loner. I'm an outlaw in this world. I'm a la 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 loner, la 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 loner, la 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 loner.
So guys, we want to light the jiko. This is our grilling jiko. So I'll start with the firewood, which we had earlier on cut. So I'll stuff it in. So I'll place them up here so that they light. enough. So this is the one we shall be grilling. But before that, I need to clean the grill. In order to clean the grill, I will use some fat.
I'm a la 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 loner, la 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 loner. Every time I try to fit in, it ends up in misery. Yeah, socializing doesn't fit me, but I can get away so easy. I was born a misfit. Don't go with the cool kids. It's a party, crazy on my own, but all in. I can feel the eyes all staring, but I don't care about them.
And guys, our African sausage is ready. Now we want to head over to the next stage, which will now be grilling it. So as you can see, the water was very high up in the sufuria, almost 3/4 way full, but now it has gone to about 1/3 full. So it's ready, and that is the way it looks. And I want to believe the soup there is very much good for consumption. It has some salt, so it's well seasoned, and again the meat inside the stuffing was seasoned, so the soup is very much in order and sumptuous. So join us for the next step.
Maybe I'm weak, but it took half a year to get over you, over you. Or maybe I'm good at pretending that I will forget. So when I saw you coming, I knew I'd be swept right back up, and I didn't care.
Nothing beats the taste of homemade African sausages. I hope you can try this at home using our recipe and let us know how it turns out on your end.
I'd be
Looks nice. Wow, look at that, guys. Just look at that.
funny how something can hurt you so bad, but you fall right back. Happens just like that, and I'm not quite convinced that it won't end the same.
And our sausage is now ready. So we are removing it from the grill to enjoy. There it goes. See you at the table.
I'm not ready to need you again, unless this time we're holding on. The truth is I don't know how to forget. So when I saw you coming,
I want to make our ugali. Ugali is made from corn flour.
me no one else, I'm not ready.
shall continue mixing until the flour is well mixed with the water and there are no lumps, and then the ugali will be cooked. We shall leave it to cook for some time. So our ugali is ready, so we are ready to plate it. So we shall cover it and then turn. So see you as we eat it. And this is the way we served our African sausage. As you can see, it looks very sumptuous with some ugali and some green vegetables. Guys, be sure to like our video, be sure to share and subscribe. See you on our next video, and be sure to try our recipe on the African sausage. Until next time, adios and bon appetit.